This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Cricut Design Space and creating a new canvas sized to your material. This prevents surprises. Next, click the text tool and type the exact copy you want. Choose a cut-ready font for clean edges or a print-friendly font if you plan print then cut. Make visible adjustments: size, letter spacing, and line height. Do this now because these base settings determine alignment and how welding or attaching will behave later on when you combine text with images. Once done with your raw text, bring the image onto the canvas and position it roughly where the text should sit. Use Align and Arrange to snap text to the image or center it precisely. This prevents misalignment during cutting. If you need curved text, use the Curve function and adjust radius until it hugs the image naturally. Make styling decisions now. Welding creates a single cut shape, while flattening prepares layers for print. Then cut, choose based on whether you're cutting or printing. To finalize, select both text and image and use Attach to lock placement on the mat. Use Weld if you need one continuous cut path. Then choose the correct material and blade settings. Cricut's recommended setting is a reliable starting point, and preview and make it so you can confirm mats and layer order. If anything goes wrong, make sure your font supports cutting, detach and reapply weld or attach, and slightly increase letter spacing to prevent tiny letters from collapsing during cutting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.